Hello and welcome. My name is Amul and you are watching TubeMate. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install truffle, solidity, and web 3.js. So in the previous videos, I already have installed ganache and get. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install truffle, which basically installs web 3.js and solidity compiler as well. So the only thing you need to get started and get going is basically Node.js and npm. So npm comes with Node.js. I assume that you already have Node.js. If you do not, go ahead and launch your preferred browser and go to nodejs.org and download and install the LTS release whenever you are watching this video. So make sure you got it, and once it installed, very simple. I already have a video on my channel to help you install Node.js, npm and yarn. So make sure you got node npm yarn. Okay, so you got everything here required to install truffle. And then to install truffle, you simply say npm install g and then truffle. Truffle suite. You can learn more about truffle here. So trufflesuite.com, and this provides you all the tools to develop your dApp applications. So basically, you can go to guides and then truffle to get started for blockchain development, and this is where they talk about what is truffle and how you can install it and how it works. So this is what you need, and then truffle version to check it. You can install ganache as well, and then truffle unlock mirror coin. Yeah, truffle you need to start creating application, so that's more like npm in it. And then this is how you can start the development, dApp development, which is great, right? So go ahead and launch your command line, whatever you have, terminal, type npm space install space -g. That will install it globally, and then hit enter. Since I already have installed truffle, it shouldn't take long. Otherwise, it will take some time to download and install all the dependencies and tools that you need to build your web 3.2 applications, which is really great. And this makes it really easy. Okay, installation, how to connect truffle project to ganache. So hopefully in the upcoming videos I'll demonstrate by creating a simple web3 application, which is dApp, decentralized application, and this should help a lot of people. Okay, get started in this web 3.0 contracts, blockchain contracts. So it is doing something here. You can see it is checking everything. You can visit npm ganache page, truffle page, npm truffle editor. Okay, here we go. I'm not sure. What's taking a bit longer? I already have installed it. So truffle in it to start. Quick start. Quick usage. How is it going? 13,000. Okay. You can also visit this GitHub page. Official truffle documentation and truffle compile, truffle migrate, truffle test, truffle init. These are all commands that you want to familiarize yourself with. Yarn development, yarn test, master beta develop next. Okay, so this is the company behind this project, Truffle Seed project. I'm really sorry, it looks like this is my command line. It's taking a bit longer completed. So MetaMask is could be Metaverse. MetaMask institution, MetaMask. Power DApp and reach new users with the MetaMask development platform. This is something which is going to get you into. Okay, Metaverse. We'll check that later on. Is it working at all? Something is going on. Okay, here we go. Deleted. Maybe this command line is not compatible with Truffle. So what I will do, I will use this ganache. So let's see, Truffle and either of this one. Truffle. It is good idea to have a Linux distro for dev stations. I think there is some problem with this package itself. Refify ganache. Okay, oh, I see. I think make sure if your ganache is not working. So what I should be doing, so guys, basically the truffle is already installed on my system. Okay, and then what we can do, you can simply start cmd PowerShell, whatever you have, and then say truffle version. Truffle is not recognized. You can see this process has to be completed. Okay. However, I already had installed it. Mark deleted. Okay. It is marking as deleted. Oh, here we go. truffleconfig.js. Awesome, guys. Then you have drizzle. This, okay. So what it does, basically drizzle is a collection front-end library that front ends easier and more predictable. Redux store, basically combination of React and Redux. Okay, so this looks like it just fired and started overwriting everything that I already had installed. Okay, Apollo server 2.3 deprecated end of October 2023. Okay. This is how you install truffle, which gives you a lot of building blocks for your dApp applications. So this is the trufflesuite.com. That this is where you get to be if you want to get into dApp or just familiarize yourself with dApps. It is a good idea to basically use yarn if you need to quickly install such packages. That speeds up the process basically. Okay, drizzle store, drizzle plugin. Okay guys, thank you so much for your patience. And you can see now I can go ahead and simply say truffle. So I got truffle 5.1, 1.5, ganache, solidity, web3.js. Okay, and this is the solidity compiler. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, comment in the comment section. Bye for now.